Hi, and welcome to the John and Dad Show. Today we have 6 Disney mystery minis, and these are the characters that you can get in the Disney set. And the ones we have are Flounder, Ariel, Gus Gus. So we have Ariel, Flounder, we have Ariel and Flounder, we have Gus Gus, we don't have Cinderella. We don't have Olaf. We just got Anna in the last video. We have Cogsworth. We have Belle. We don't have the Frog Naveen. We have Tiana.
Just got her.
Yeah. We have the Snowgy.
Rare.
We have Elsa. We don't have the Bear Cub. We don't have Merida. We don't have Raja. And we do have Jasmine.
I hope. Who do you hope we get? I know you hope we get Raja.
Yeah, I hope we get Raja.
I kind of really hope we get the frog also. And the Bear Cub.
Okay.
We'll see. There's the frog right there. Ribbit. He says ribbit. Right there in that box. Come on,
Let's
Naveen.
This one. Naveen, the frog Naveen.
Naveen.
Raja. I hope we get Raja. This feels.
Cody, who do you hope we get? Raja. He wants Raja too. Were you talking, Cody? Did you say Raja?
It's a duplicate.
Oh, duplicate of.
Belle.
It's
Belle. A duplicate Belle. She is a duplicate, but
She's
that's
a good
okay.
duplicate. Sometimes we keep these duplicates because they're nice, but sometimes we give these duplicates away to our subscribers and our likers, huh?
I kind of like to keep the duplicates.
Yeah, some, but you don't have a lot of room. So we'll probably give the duplicates away. That you could give that one to Rebecca Hartman.
Yeah, because she played Belle. She would like
At
that.
Emerald Little Theater.
She would like that. Because she played Belle. I could give her this Belle. Alright, so that was the first one. That one was Belle. Alright, let's open the next one. Which this one is super heavy. This is probably either Merida or Jasmine. I think it's Merida.
Because Merida has the most hair. They can call her Herida.
Herida. Whoa, yeah, this is definitely Merida.
Big.
Whoa.
Merida.
Did you see that?
Oh my gosh. She's all hair. Where's the Merida? Oh, you gotta turn her around. Huh.
It's Merida.
I'm glad we got her. Check out how big. It's like a little pop bottle. Turn her around and turn her around. She's bigger than your whole fist. Make a fist. Hold Merida next to the fist. Hold Merida next to it, not behind it like this. Oh yeah, there you go. Watch this. Merida is the size of your fist. Do not punch Merida because she's hard. These things are hard. Ow.
Wow, and Merida's actually new. We didn't have Merida before. Merida was new. Alright, let's get to the next box. We're still hoping to get Raja, which Raja's super rare, so I don't know if we'll get him or not. Because he's a 1 out of 72. I would be really lucky if I got Raja.
Raja, Black Bear. Oh, we have so many. Elsa. Definitely going to bring some Elsas to give away. She just goes around freezing stuff. Let it go, let it snow, let it snow, let it go. I know, that's not the song, but, you know, copyright. We can't take Disney song. 3 down, 3 to go.
Oh,
Repeat.
my gosh.
Oh, geez. We've got the Elsa army around here.
Another Elsa.
How many Elsas do we have total? I know we gave away a couple.
I don't know.
I think we have like 6 Elsas. Elsa just keeps coming. Thank
What?
goodness it's not so frozen outside.
Oh, I feel a whisker.
Not Elsa. Not Elsa.
Oh, it's a duplicate.
Well, he's a cute one.
It's a duplicate.
It's like our second flounder.
It's a duplicate of Flounder.
He's actually a lot more rare than Elsa. See, the reason we get so many Elsas, Elsa's 1 in 6. Everybody gets lots of Elsas.
Yeah, and Flounder's 1 in 24.
Yep. And he's cute. Let's look at him up close. Look at that. Can you make that face? Whoa! The last one, it came through. Whoopee!
It's Raja.
So many we've opened.
Raja.
The rarest. Get down here next to Raja. See? Raja!
Raja.
Woohoo! That's so nice. Raja, I'm so glad you're here. You should dismiss us this time.
Look on this box. Look. What does it say, Raja?
1 in 72. And Snogie's the other. We have the 2 most rare ones, which is great because there are no more of these in Amarillo or Hawaii.
We actually got Raja, and
Bum,
he's
bum,
the one I really
bum, bum.
wanted.
Tell them.
We got Raja. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.
Is that what Raja said?
I think so. Goodbye. Please like and subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.
Bye.